Get ready for endless fun with the Force1 Scoot LED hand-operated drone. Perfect for kids and adults alike, this mini drone combines vibrant LED lights, intuitive hand-controlled flight, and high-tech obstacle avoidance sensors to bring boundless entertainment to your indoor adventures. This drone is kid-friendly and easy to use. Scoot is the perfect indoor drone for children aged 8 and up. Whether flying solo or with friends and family, it promises hours of laughter and excitement. Links to the next video of easy-to-fly drones are in the description as well. The mesmerizing LED lights will illuminate the skies with Scoot's vibrant LEDs, creating a mesmerizing spectacle, especially in the dark. You will have hours of exhilarating fun with its swift movements and obstacle avoidance. Scoot guarantees hours of hands-free entertainment for both kids and adults. It is the perfect gift if you are looking for the ideal present. Look no further. Scoot is the ultimate first drone for young adventurers, backed by our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Scoot key features are as such: it is a indoor hover drone for beginners, it's durable and safe webbed shell design, and it's a US certified STEM toy. So get ready to soar. Don't miss out on the excitement. Order your Force1 Scoot LED hand-operated drone today and elevate your indoor adventures to new heights. With its intuitive controls and dazzling LED display, Scoot is sure to become a favorite for kids and adults alike. Experience the thrill of hands-free flight with Force1 Scoot LED hand-operated drone. Order yours today. Links are in the description. Enjoy.